Combine multiple photos on an iPhone in seconds. First, open the Shortcuts app on your device. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Rename the shortcut name. For example, Combine Photos. In the search bar, type Photos and click it. Scroll down and tap on Select Photos. Tap the small arrow next to it. Enable Select Multiple, which allows you to choose more than one photo. Again, search for Combine Images. Select Combine Images. Choose how you want the photos combined, horizontally, vertically, in a grid. You can leave the default option or change it as needed. Tap the search action. Search for Save to Photos. Select the Save to Photos menu. Your shortcut is now created. Now, at the bottom, tap the share icon. Here, select Add to Home Screen. At the top right, tap on Add. Now it works like a normal app. Tap the shortcut from your home screen. Your Photos app will open. Select the photos you want to combine. The combined image is automatically saved to your Photos app. Experiment with fewer or more photos. And that's it. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe.